Every sales story starts with effort. Long hours, follow-ups, and endless tools. But what if your CRM did more than track your work? What if it actually worked for you? That's Monday CRM Suite, an AI-powered revenue platform that connects marketing, sales, and delivery, and makes every part of your customer journey smarter. This isn't just a CRM that helps you stay organized. It's a CRM that works for you, thinks with you, and scales with you, so your team can just sell. Monday CRM isn't just another sales tracker. It's a fully customizable system built for workflows. Whether you're managing new deals, construction bids, patient intake, or simply want to track email communication, everything can be tailored without a single line of code. Work in Monday CRM is organized in workspaces. Each workspace can represent a team, process, or region, keeping everything in one connected place.
Inside a workspace, you'll find boards to manage your work and relationships, docs to record notes and ideas, and dashboards for all your reporting needs.
The essential building blocks of your workflow. Boards are where the real work happens. They're fully customizable. Manage anything from deals to people, add custom columns, automate updates.
For example, you can keep your boards organized by moving items into the right groups automatically. You can also switch up your views, navigating between a pipeline Kanban or custom views built with Monday Vibe.
Every customer journey begins with marketing. As a marketer, your goals isn't just clicks, it's building pipeline.
Let's say your team is prepping for a new product launch. You can bring over existing customers from your CRM.
Using live CRM data, you can instantly build a segment of the right audience.
Here, we're pulling in current CIOs for my upcoming product launch.
Then, with AI, create a branded email in minutes. No coding, no external tools.
I'm sending this campaign as a one-time email. I'll select the segment I just created, choose the sender address, schedule the send, and add UTM tracking to the links. That's a full email campaign, ready in just a few minutes, a light lift, and quick to launch.
Launch your campaign and watch qualified opportunities start to flow in. Take it one step further by automating your campaigns with workflows that build a complete customer journey. Set up sequences for welcome emails, re-engagement, or even automatic data updates across the platform, all in just a few clicks. And it doesn't stop there. You can review campaign performance, uncovering what worked and what didn't, so every future campaign only gets smarter. As a sales manager, your goal is simple. Build a strong, qualified pipeline. Whether leads come from events, imports, or marketing campaigns, Monday CRM helps you qualify them quickly and effectively. Duplicates? Flagged automatically. Cold leads? Added to nurture sequences.
Where you can automate emails and tasks for exactly what you need. Hot ones? Routed straight to reps using round-robin automations.
And when you're ready to qualify even faster, meet your AI sales agent. He calls hundreds of potential leads automatically, so your SDRs only talk to leads who answer. He runs discovery calls, summarizes notes, and books meetings, all automatically synced to Monday CRM. Together, they're your 24/7 prospecting team, building pipeline while you sleep. AI works beside you, so you can focus on the moments that close deals. Once a lead becomes an opportunity, it moves to the opportunities board, your central command center. As a rep, your goal is simple. Close deals quickly and with as few clicks as possible. Connect your email and let Monday handle the rest. Every conversation logged automatically. Got a meeting? AI Note Taker joins every call, capturing key decisions and next steps, and sentiment so nothing gets lost. Your team gains context, clarity, and momentum, and work actually moves forward.
Use AI to highlight deal insights or to become your sidekick to help you understand anything you need about a particular opportunity.
And when it's time to send a quote, you don't even have to leave Monday. Select your products, generate the quote instantly, and let automations handle the approvals. No waiting, no tool switching, just faster, smarter selling. When a deal closes, the customer journey is just getting started.
Fill out any important fields like handover notes.
With a single automation, Monday CRM instantly creates a project board in work management, carrying over any detail you choose to expose. The delivery manager sees every commitment and next step. No handoff chaos, no missing context. AI Note Taker can join kickoff calls, logging tasks, tracking ownership, and help create follow-ups. And because it's all connected within the Monday platform, transparency flows both ways. As a rep, I don't need to chase updates. I can open up the account, see project progress in real time, and jump in to clarify a detail or celebrate a win. That's one continuous journey for both you and the customer. As a sales leader, data finally works for you. Dashboards bring your entire revenue story into focus. Pipeline health, conversion funnels, forecasts, even team leaderboards. With AI, you can dive deeper in seconds. Spot a deal at risk to uncover what's happening and instantly summarize the latest activity, all without leaving the board. From there, reach out for context, coach your reps, and keep deals moving forward. With Monday CRM, insight becomes action. Now, whether you're in the office, on the road, or in between meetings, Monday CRM goes with you. From your phone, you can log calls, update records, or capture a quick note, and it all syncs instantly. Because work doesn't stop, and neither should your visibility. AI is no longer an extra, it's the engine. With Monday CRM Suite, every step, from lead to launch, from sales to success, runs faster, and it's more connected than ever. It works for you, it thinks with you, so your team can just sell.